Have you ever wondered what a 380 million-year-old fish looked like? Well, imagine no more. A newly discovered fossil fish, dubbed Hydrogels jumini, has been unearthed in the fossil fields west of Alice Springs in Australia. This fish, a member of the ancient tetrapodomorph lineage, is an incredible find, and its unique features allow us a glimpse into the past. One of its standout characteristics is the large openings on the top of its skull. Now, what's so special about these openings, you ask? They are believed to have facilitated surface air breathing. It's a fascinating adaptation, particularly when we consider that it may have developed during a period of decreased atmospheric oxygen around the mid-Devonian era. Just picture this ancient creature, navigating through its environment, coming up to the surface and drawing in a breath of air. It's an image that sparks the imagination, isn't it? And it's not just Hydrogels jumini that displayed this adaptation. Other fish species from the same time period also exhibited this feature, suggesting a shared response to environmental changes. This discovery is not just a chance find, but the culmination of 5 decades of exploration and research. The most complete specimen of Hydrogels jumini was found in 2016, nestled in the Hydrogels sandstone member, a geological formation that dates back approximately 380 million years. An international team of researchers, spearheaded by Flinders University paleontologist Dr. Brian Chu, undertook the painstaking work of studying and cataloging this ancient creature. Their dedication to understanding our planet's past has provided us with remarkable insights into the evolution of life on Earth. As we reflect on this incredible discovery, it's hard not to marvel at the resilience and adaptability of life. From the ancient oceans of the Devonian era to the modern laboratories of the 21st century, our understanding of the natural world continues to grow and evolve. The zombie fish, an ancient marvel, truly takes us on a journey back in time, doesn't it? Moving from the past to the future, have you ever thought about the next big leap in computing? Let's dive into the world of superconductors, where the ordinary rules of electricity are defied and the extraordinary becomes possible. Researchers at Penn State are at the forefront of this scientific frontier, pioneering the development of something called chiral topological superconductors. It's a mouthful, isn't it? Well, let's break it down. Superconductors are materials that can conduct electricity with zero resistance. This means they can carry an electrical current indefinitely without losing any energy. Now, imagine combining these superconductors with something known as magnetic topological insulators. These are materials that conduct electricity only on their surfaces, while acting as insulators throughout the rest of their volume. By marrying these two unique materials, the researchers have created these chiral topological superconductors, a new breed of material that could lead to more robust quantum computing. Yes, you heard it right, quantum computing. This is the realm of computing where we leverage the principles of quantum mechanics to perform computations at speeds that are currently unimaginable with our classical computers. But the researchers didn't stop there. They also believe that this system could be useful in exploring the behavior of a new type of particle, chiral Majorana particles. Now, these could be used as quantum bits, or qubits, in quantum computers. Qubits are the fundamental units of information in quantum computing, and they hold the key to the immense computational power of quantum computers. This exciting research didn't happen in a vacuum. It was supported by the U.S. Department of Energy and the National Science Foundation, two organizations dedicated to advancing the boundaries of science and technology. So, what does this all mean for us? Well, the development of chiral topological superconductors could herald a new era in computing. It could pave the way for quantum computers that are more robust and capable than anything we've seen before. And with this new breed of computers, who knows what we might be able to achieve? We could solve complex problems in seconds that would take our current computers thousands of years to crack. Superconductors are not just cool, they might just be the key to unlocking the future of computing. From the depths of the ocean and the frontiers of computing, let's turn to the human body. Can we fix broken hearts with hydrogels? Imagine a material that mirrors the intricate nanostructures and properties of human tissues, a synthetic substance so advanced that it could mend damaged heart tissue or enhance cancer treatments. Now, you don't have to imagine. Researchers from the University of Waterloo, University of Toronto, and Duke University have developed a new hydrogel made from cellulose nanocrystals derived from wood pulp. Yes, you heard it right, wood pulp. This hydrogel is not your everyday gel. It's a material that closely replicates the fibrous nanostructures found in our tissues. So, how does this help? Well, it's all about creating an environment where cells can thrive and repair themselves. The hydrogel's nanofibrous architecture and large pores are perfect for nutrient and waste transport, key factors in maintaining healthy cell function. But the potential of this hydrogel goes beyond mending damaged heart tissue. It's also opening doors to improved cancer treatments. The researchers aim to use this hydrogel to grow small-scale tumor replicas for personalized drug testing. By testing drugs on these mini-tumors, scientists can determine the most effective treatment for each individual, potentially transforming the landscape of cancer therapy. Yet, the possibilities don't stop there. The researchers also plan to infuse this hydrogel with conductive nanoparticles. Why, you might ask? With these nanoparticles, the hydrogel becomes electrically conductive, mimicking the electrical activities of heart and skeletal muscle tissues. This could pave the way for innovative treatments for heart disease and skeletal muscle damage. In essence, this hydrogel is a prime example of how science is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in medicine. It's about using the wisdom of nature, in this case, the cellulose nanocrystals derived from wood pulp, to create solutions for some of the most pressing health issues of our time. With hydrogels, we are not just mending broken hearts, we are venturing into the future of personalized medicine. From ancient fishes to quantum computing and hydrogels, science truly knows no boundaries, does it? We've journeyed back in time to unearth the mysteries of the zombie fish, a creature that breathes through its skull. We've delved into the world of superconductors, exploring how they can pave the way for more robust quantum computing. And we've looked into the future, where hydrogels mimicking human tissues could revolutionize the way we treat heart damage and cancer. The beauty and power of science lie in its ability to decipher our past, shape our future, and enhance our well-being. Before you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more exciting updates from the world of science, space research, tech, artificial intelligence, and much more. Remember, knowledge is power. See you in the next video.